Okay, today I'm going to talk about number conversions for dates. I have two different ones that I use. One is for forcing two digits before the slash, and one is for allowing it to be one digit or two. So let me show you how that works. If you write the number and the date was 1/11/72, I want that slash to be after the 1 and after the 11. So I can write a stroke, and my stroke is slish, and I chose slish because it's close to slash. You can choose whatever you want, but it made sense to me. So I would just write slish, and it will change whatever the last number was to 1/11/72 with the slashes. I can do that for a lot of different ones, 12/11/72 slash, and it was 11/17/72 slash, and I can write a whole bunch of them, and it'll go back and keep fixing them. So I can have the dates. It was 1/11/72 and 12/17/72 and 11/13/72. I write my slish. It'll go back to the last one. I could do it again. It goes back to the last one, and then slish again. It'll keep going. Now, what if the 1/11/72 wasn't exactly what I needed? What if I needed, it was November 1/72. So the same numbers, if I wrote slish, it would go back and put it right after the first one. Now, if I want to force it to always have two numerals before the slash, it's a different setting, and I chose to write slish with a Z because it was very close to what I'd already written. So I would write slishes, and it goes back and it will force the first two letters to have a slash after it, first two numbers. So let me show you how I define those. Those are in your real-time commands dictionary, and you can find that by going to System Files and then Real-Time Commands Dictionary. I already have it opened up here. And here are the settings. So you can find them in they look like a date because they have the slashes, and you can easily find them. So the first one is the one I normally use, the slish. For the most common one I use this one right here. So you can double click on it. It has they suggested date with 1. So if you would write date and the letter 1, well, I chose to do slish. So this is where you change it to slish, whichever one you want to do. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. Don't need to worry about that. Okay, oops, ignore all, sorry. Now the second one was date 2, and that was this one right here. And that one is the one that forces it to be two letters at the beginning. So two numerals. So double click it, decide how you're going to modify, how you're going to write that. And I did slishes. Okay, so now you have those two. So now you need to get those into your personal dictionary. All you have to do is right click onto that entry, copy to personal dictionary, and now it's in your personal dictionary. You would do that for each one of those. Here's the other one, right click, copy to personal dictionary. I've already got it in my dictionary, so I don't need to do those. Let's keep the new text. Okay, so that is as simple as it is. You just need those two, slish and slishes, and be able to go back and fix all of your dates.